Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to demonstrate you are getting this error Rockstar Games Launcher not opening or not working on this PC. I have best proven solution. That solution you will try to in this problem easily resolve and prevent it. So let's go get that first solution. You will stop running background Rockstar Games Launcher. So we need Windows search bar and type the task manager. We can click to open the Rockstar task manager. In this search bar type you can go to find Rockstar related apps. Just to type Rockstar Games Launcher or whatever. If there are running, just right click to remove from the task manager. After you will come to back from the your task manager. First remove. After removed, then you come to back. Then you can go to do it this step. I will expose next step of integrated with your Rockstar Games Launcher and system. So you can go to the desktop, then shortcut Rockstar Games Launcher, select and right click. Then you can go to select the properties. Here you can go to click on the calculator tab. Then you need to select run this program calculator mode. Below you need to select run this program as administrator and select disable full screen optimization. Then hit the apply and OK to save. Then close it. Then come to back. Then you can go to one more step of most important step. Make sure you will try this step. That step is you will remove Rockstar launcher folder. So you can go to open the file X folder, then you can go to click on the documents and Rockstar games folder, then you can go to select the launcher, then right click to remove from the particular folder in file X folder. You after done, then you come to, then finally you restart your system, then again come to relaunch the Rockstar game launcher. After that your problem will have solved. It will be automatically updated. After will updated, then your problem will have solved. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I guide you. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. If all methods work only, you will subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.